では次は香川県です。So this 漢字、香川。川 means river ね。香川県。So located in Shikoku Island. So if you look at the map here, it's a Shikoku region. Then located in here, Shikoku Island, Kagawa Prefecture is here. Kagawa is the smallest prefecture of Japan, but has a rich food culture. The most famous food is the Sanuki Udon. You might have heard of the Sanuki Udon. So there are about 700 udon shops in Kagawa. Sanuki Udon is characterized by a firm, chewy texture, achieved by using a specific type of wheat which was traditionally grown in Kagawa Prefecture. It's said that the reason udon is so deeply rooted in Kagawa Prefecture lies in the fact that the climate and the soil is perfect for the cultivation of flour. The prefecture has also flourished as a producer of products such as the salt, soy sauce from a long time, and is a top producer of the dried sardines that are used to stock in the soup. And you can buy Sanuki udon named packet in New Zealand Countdown supermarket. The next one is 骨付き鳥。これね、骨 means bone. 付き means attached. So, or in this case, bone in chicken. So this called the 骨付き鳥 is famous in Kagawa. This chicken on the bone dish is prepared with either young or old chicken, with both styles offer a very different taste. Traditionally flavored with garlic and spices, and the meat is baked until the skin turns crispy, like here. Was it burned? A little bit burned, but baked until skin turns crispy and fresh, juicy. So ここまでが香川になります。